Another avocado tree that probably not gonna make it. Hey guys, what's up? Anson here, Ivis Forge and Homestead. So, what? I got drafted into Shed Wars on Arkansas Woodcutters team. 6th pick, y'all. First round. Crazy, I know. Mark, I love you, brother. So, let's go check out and see what we're doing this season. Over here we got our apples. There's another apple. Lemon. In pots, so they're doing all right. Apples are starting to bud now. We're still getting somewhat cold weather, but yeah, these are the wife's babies. That's what I do. Once again, the raised garden bed I built for the wife. You can see there's been an addition to the back. If you guys don't know that was an addition, then you should go check out last year's Shed Wars stuff. But we got a lot more filled in this season. So this is part of the hergo culture, or however you say that, right? We got all the big wood chunks down the bottom, and then some more debris, wood debris, right? Stuff like that. Bunch of bigger leaves and branches down the bottom. Then we started filling it up. So it only has about halfway of dirt, which didn't really fill it all the way up that much. So this is all compost. I had 3 full wheelbarrow fulls of compost from last year. That was about a good year's worth of compost. Filled everything up except for this one little corner. I had to go buy some potting soil, or it was stuff for raised garden beds, along with a little bit of topsoil that we threw in, mixed that in. Right, and then this season I've also built this. We got our little group. Hi, group. All right, so these are going to be the pots that I'm going to be doing the single seed challenges in. So I'm going to do a tomato, a couple different varieties of peppers. All right, so
put some water in them with a little bit of this little Super Thrive vitamin, so it'll all expand, and I'm going to go ahead and add the little seeds in there. I know I'm holding a sticker that says front and back. I'm trying to make sure that I know where my seeds are at. So this sticker is obviously front, so I'm just going to like slide it in here, make sure, ta-da, we got a little front. Just in case. It does come, the little kit comes with a little greenhouse grid kit that you can write your little vegetables where they're at, or it also comes with a little nifty little sticks, but there's not so many in here, and I have so many seeds that I have to plant. So I have little wooden popsicle sticks and a Sharpie to help me out, and in here we're also gonna be putting Anson's 1 seed challenge. He has a couple here. He has a tomato bush steak hybrids, sweet peppers and long pepper blend, and a jalapeno or jalapeno seeds.
all right, so that's just a little snippet of what the wife did with the seed starting packs. So it's actually been really too cold, being able to get some of the flowers and stuff in here, but that's coming. So just know that this year's garden is going to be colorful and beautiful, and I can't wait to see how everything's going to turn out, because last year's garden, we killed it. I'm not going to lie. Yeah, everything burnt up, with the exception of a few tomatoes. That they came through, a few of the peppers came through, but it was like really towards the end of the season, and yeah. Hey, lessons learned. But hey, here we go. Game's on. So let's get this party started, y'all. Now, I would definitely love you guys to give us a thumbs up, share us out to your friends, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, check out what we got going on. All right, we have a plethora of all kinds of things going on, and yes, I do give back to the veteran community. 20-year retired Navy veteran. All right, so I definitely thank you guys for following along, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.